Good evening, Deepak Bhatia. Your interview is going to be on which date and you are
Hmm.
appearing for which post and in which place?
Good evening, sir. Sir, my interview is on 14th of December at Chandigarh Regional Office, Chandigarh.
Is
And
it for is it for
I have applied for.
United India
Yes,
or
sir. Yes,
NIS? United
sir.
India.
United Nations. Yes, sir.
Oh,
For actuary post.
actuarial post, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the qualification you have?
Sir, I have completed my graduation from DAV College, Kangra, and post graduation in mathematics from Himachal Pradesh University, Shimla.
Mm. Then why did you apply for this actuarial post? What are the various vacancies that were there? And for this post, what was the minimum qualification they had prescribed?
Sir, I have applied for actuarial post because the insurance sector, the mathematics is very important because actuary is the only branch which deals with the which where the mathematicians deal in the insurance sector. Apart from it, what is the next question?
No, no. What was the minimum qualification prescribed for this post?
Sir,
And
m-
what made you think you are suitable for this post?
sir, minimum education qualification in this is masters in either mathematics or statistics or the financial analyst, in this type of post. Since I have completed a graduation in post graduation in mathematics, that's why I think I am suitable for this post.
Mm,
So my mainly the job profile is to analyze
mm,
the risk in this sector, where the tools of mathematics and statistics is used. And another post that in this exam was legal specialist, doctor post, and the
mm,
account specialist officers.
mm. So, what do you think you will be required to do in this actuarial post? What do you understand by actuarial?
So actuarial is a discipline which where the person uses the mathematics and statistics to solve the different complex problems, where they try to minimize the risk in the insurance sector by doing various using the models of statistics and mathematics.
Mhm. Actuarial science is the area of mathematics that applies quantitative methods to assess risk in the insurance and finance industries. Correct?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, and they try to minimize the risk as possible as they can.
What are the risks that the study is trying to identify?
So for example, setting the premiums. For if a person take an insurance, then the actually they try to decide what is the premium that they set for that particular insurance, because they come actually they are working for the profit of company also. So they set the insurance in such a premium in such a way that the company also gets profit. So this is the main work that they are doing.
Mhm,
Apart from it, they also involve in the creation of a preparation of many actually reports which they were sent to the regulatory, like a regulatory, which in this case Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. So
mm,
apart from after this, the main role of actuarial is to they decide the minimum claim
mm,
reserve which they set aside, a portion of money that they set aside, so that in the near future a person can file a claim, or the person can file a claim, or there is probability that the person may file a claim. So this is the main job profile of actuary.
mhm, mhm.
And
Mm,
also if we think also they actually also assist the other departments, for example in the pricing, product designing, preparing various reports which were sent to the general insurance, and also they prepare the analytical reports, like various analytical reports like claim settlement reports. What are the claims that they have settled, what are the claims that they will going to settle in the near future, so that they can analyze it in the near future when they are needed.
mhm. Now, can you tell me the historical background of this actuarial science development and its relevant in the present day context?
Historical background I haven't read regarding the its main its importance in the near future. So insurance sector, I think that is going sector is a sunrise sector due to the various reasons like climate change. So due to climate change, many floods like situations or various calamities they are happening. So the people need insurance. So in order to compensate that people, so actually the post they are needed. Apart from it, the increasing GDP of the people, increasing GDP of the country, and with the rising income, people tend to prefer buy many things. So they also need the insurance for this place. So I think insurance sector is going to be boom in the near sector, near future. So the actuarial role is becoming more important in the near future.
So, what is statistics?
So statistics is the study of numbers and data, mainly the data, and collecting data and analyze the data and do the various type using various models to use that data, how it can be used.
Can you tell some terminologies used in statistics?
So mostly mean, median, and mode. They are these main terminologies used in the statistics.
Can you
Mean is the
explain?
average. The
Mm,
mean is the average. Whatever the data is given, we take the average of that data.
mm.
Median means arranging the data in ascending, either ascending or descending order, and then find the middle term. This is the median, and mode is the data which is occurring maximum number of times.
What is a
And
sample?
apart,
What is a
yes, sir.
sample? Sample.
Samples simply whatever data we have taken. This is simply which is a sample of a population. Means
What?
collecting large number of data, which is called the population, and from that data consider different set of the data that we have taken for a particular purpose, which we call a sample.
Mm. Can you tell me what is variable?
So variable which changes its value, which has no constant value, which value changed every time.
E- Example?
So for example, if we take the variable x, and we said x is the height of the people.
No,
So
no.
x
You
we can say
you
if
you you talk something relating to insurance.
so variable, so
Mm,
insurance sector.
mm.
So here
No,
we
no.
simply
No, I
say
know. I know you may not be prepared for this. So you have to prepare for talking about it being related to insurance using these terminologies. What is statistics, sample, variable, alternative hypothesis, bell curve, parameter, standard deviation, variance, population, casual inference, causality, confidence, what is that? Confidence interval, then correlation, distribution, effect size, estimator, maximum likelihood estimate, mean squared something, mean squared, what is that? Mean squared.
no idea, sir.
Yeah, I know you have not studied this. All this I have come across here. That's why I'm
Yes,
asking, how do I know this? I have not studied this. समझ गया? हम
yes,
आपको
sir.
देता हूँ, ये सब दे रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir.
I
इसको इंश्योरेंस के टर्म में.
no, इंश्योरेंस का टर्म्स है and just note it. I will show you. I just searched in Google important 30 important statistics.
Yes, sir.
30 important terms in
It's in
statistics.
statistics.
हाँ, आपको ये मिल जाएगा. इसका अलावा
Yes, sir.
स्टैटिक्स टर्मिनोलॉजीज ऐसा सर्च कर दीजिए.
Yes, sir.
उधर में ये सब मिलता है.
Yes, sir.
ये सब मिलता है. ये सबको अब प्रिपेयर करना है. एंड ऑल्सो
Okay.
50 statistics terms to know with definitions. I am giving this in our Telegram, sorry, in our WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
This is for statistics. Just a minute. This is useful for statistics. So इसको अब पढ़ लीजिए. Not that ऐसा
Okay, sir.
पूछेगा पता नहीं है, but still otherwise they will generally go into which college did you do your post graduation?
Sir, Himachal Pradesh University Shimla campus, University campus Shimla.
अच्छा. Which
Yes,
year
sir.
did you complete?
Sir, I have completed in 2021, but due to Corona, it got delayed about by 6 months. So in near February or March 2023, totally finished my
22
post
now.
graduation.
22
Yes,
or
sir.
20? 22.
22.
Yeah.
But in the degree, they written 2021 session June 2021.
Yeah. And what are the other government exams you have written so far?
Sir, I have written CDS exam, FCAT, apart from SSC exam, EPFO, Social Security Assistant exam, and insurance exam, this U.I.I.C exam.
Could you not
And
clear EPF? Could you not clear EPFO?
no, sir, waiting for the final results. Sir, just gave the typing test on the 19th of in November. So
Acha,
waiting
acha.
for the result.
I-
SSC also waiting for the result.
Is it for a clerical post or
Yes,
officer post?
but no, sir, above clerical. Group B post, pay scale 5.
Acha, acha. Good, good, good. Excellent. What is your father?
Sir, my father, he is doing government job. He is a constable in Border Security Force, 23rd
Oh,
Battalion.
acha, acha. Great. Constable. That
Constable,
that
head constable.
he joined. He joined as which category and what is he? He is now head constable. He joined
Yes,
in
sir,
which
he's
category? He joined as a
say
constable.
Sipoy,
He joined as a spy
as a Sipai in
and
1994, and
and
currently
is
he's head constable.
head
Head
constable.
constable.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Promotion is,
Border
sir, very
security
less.
force. Border security force means उनका posting किधर किधर होगा?
उनकी boss, according to the criteria that the government had designed, the border security force, they guard the force, guard the borders of Pakistan and Bangladesh. So mostly they are posted in Rajasthan, Punjab,
Mainly the.
Punjab,
Mhm.
yes, sir,
Abhi,
and Jammu Kashmir.
where has he been
Currently, he is
posted?
in Rajasthan, Ganganagar.
Ganganagar. Good, good, good.
Yes.
Excellent. Since when is he in Rajasthan?
Sir, it so from 2021 last. So they are about to complete 2 years. In
उसका
the
पहले
yes,
उसका
sir.
पहले उसका पहले किधर था?
So they Srinagar, Gulmarg.
अरे भाई, very tough place. अच्छा, who is
Yes,
the
sir.
person in charge of border security force?
Sir, I don't know.
Border security force. 1 minute.
DGP,
India border security. I think some DG,
the
some
DGP, Director General of Police.
hmm, something must be there. Border security force. विकिपीडिया में देख रहा हूँ और क्या? That is the only way. Border Security Force. It was formed in 1st December 1965.
1966.
It has now 2,65,000 active personnel and Minister in charge is Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs.
Yes, sir.
Agency executive is Nitin Agarwal. Nitin Agarwal, IPS, Director General. Then
Yes.
parent agency is Ministry of Home Affairs. There are 500 plus boats with border security force. They have
Yes.
24 aircrafts. What are the animals they have?
Sir, more camels. There is a camel regiment also in Rajasthan.
Then they ha-
Camels.
they have
Sir.
dogs, camels,
Yes, sir. Dogs.
horses. Dogs,
Yes.
camels, horses. Okay,
Yes.
good. I think they do participate in Republic Day parade and all, na?
Yes, sir. Camel regiment they participate, but my father never went to the Republic Day parade.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Everybody need not go to the Republic
Yes,
Day
sir.
parade. Yeah,
But
it's okay.
their
Doesn't
regiment they have participated.
their regiment is participating? Correct. Why
Yes, sir.
have you not shown it? Normally, फोर्स का लड़का सब फोर्स में ही जाएगा, आपको आइडिया नहीं था?
Sir, I have applied but could not clear the SSB. Mostly they I am get screened out and conference out in army, conference out in Indian Navy exam, and screened out in Air Force exam and Indian Army.
अच्छा, where, in which stages you were screened out?
Sir, can you repeat what I have to
No,
say?
no, in which stage? Were you screened out in
First stage,
examination?
screened out
First
in the first stage. After
examination?
written exam,
Oh,
after
then,
written they are calling for SSB, Service Selection Board, which is 5 day process. So on
hmm,
the first day they screened out most of the candidate, only if take few. So in the man initially I got screened out in many times, and conference out means you spend 5 days there, and at the last either you recommend or they make you out. So this is conference out.
so अच्छा, you are permitted to stay there for 5 days?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई, दिन रात क्या करेंगे उधर, बताइए?
Sir, they have only 2 to 3 hours. On the first day there is screening test, and in the evening they declare the result. So
Hmm,
who they go pass, they stay there. Rest of them they leave.
hmm,
And in the next day they take the psychological test in the morning time,
hmm,
where they you have your thematic appreciation test, where
hmm,
they show you 12 pictures and you have to
hmm,
write a story on the perceiving that pictures. After
hmm.
that you have the word association test, they providing you 60 words, and you have to write whatever come in your mind at in 15 seconds, because the only time limit. And after that
Well,
word association
50 words, 50 sentences
six,
in
60 16 words, 60 words, in each word getting 15 seconds.
बाप रे, only 15 seconds?
No,
इसका
sir,
अंदर
each
हम लोग,
word
each word only 15 seconds?
for one 15 seconds. So they are testing your psychology. So whatever comes your in your mind, you have to write in 15 seconds.
अच्छा, then?
So then after that there is situation reaction test, where they gave 60 situations. So you
Hmm,
have to write. So here you got 30 seconds, but this is a combined time. So more
hmm.
I have completed only 36, near about 36 situations. And after that they are providing you some questions where you have to write your self description, what your parents think about you, what your father, what your friends think about you, what your teachers, and what would you like to improve yourself, or how you become, what type of person you want to become. So, well, then the
So
test ended.
after all that, on the fifth day, how many they take normally?
Normally, sir, if in my case there are 12 people, so they take two, only two-person. Most in the most of case I heard that they even don't select anyone on the 5 day
Hmm.
process also. No, sir,
अच्छा,
they said
oh,
they only take person which they think according to them is suitable.
oh God, very good. So
Yes, the
l-
rejection ratio is very high in SSBs.
thank God United India में ISMP नहीं है.
Yes, sir, there is the only interview, but in the here in the SSB, they my interview for about 50 to 55 minutes they have taken.
55 minutes.
Yes, sir. Sometimes they take 1 hour, 1.5 hour. I
अच्छा,
heard
it
from
used to be in
people.
Hindi or in English?
Sir, I gave in English, but they said you come as soon as possible to English from Hindi, because
अच्छा,
people they are from various mostly people they don't know Hindi properly, so they take in English.
अच्छा, very good. Excellent. Thank you so much. Sorry for deviation. Now, we were discussing about this, say, not border security force. The question was actuarial science. So I do not know what type of questions can be asked under that. So be
Yes,
prepared for that. Now, apart
yes.
from that, coming to insurance. So what do you understand by insurance and why insurance is important for human beings?
Sir, insurance is a risk coverage scheme where the person by paying premium to a party, they trying to minimize the risk. So that in case of any risk or any damage happened or any accident, that the party provide him the compensation. And
Hmm,
insurance, and apart from it, insurance, people need insurance because they by paying certain amount, if they pay certain amount to the insurance company, then during any case of accident, so they can receive the better compensation.
Mhm. Good.
So that is why people take the insurance.
Have you heard about Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana?
Jan Arogya Yojana, no sir.
Hmm.
I have heard, but I don't know what is this scheme.
Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana is a centrally sponsored scheme. It provides health coverage up to rupees 5 lakh per family per year for secondary and tertiary hospitalization. Any health candidate is here? Health candidate is online here. Koi hai abhi? I want to know what is tertiary hospitalization. It provides cashless and paperless access to services to the beneficiary at the point of service. The ratio of premium under PMJY is 60-40 between center and state. Except northeastern states, 3 Himalayan states, the ratio is 90 is to
210,
100, 90 is
10.
to 10. Then for the union territories, it is 60-40. So, but of course, it is a scheme designed for the sake of poor people, those who
Yes.
are below poverty line. Good.
Okay,
Now,
sir.
yeah, now please tell me the 7 principles of insurance.
The principles of insurance. So, well, I have not read it, but I can trying to say that. Sir, can I say?
Why have you not read this? This is the basic thing when you are going for insurance company. Should you not know what is insurance?
I
उसमें पहले
insurance.
उसमें
I know
पहले
say
पहले
insurance.
आता है प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस बताइए
So, firstly, the health coverage. So you have to pay the premium. And sir, I can't say properly.
हम्म,
Sir,
क्या
can't
हुआ
say properly. I have. सर पढ़ लूंगा सर, इसको
ये
देखना
तो
पड़ेगा.
ये तो पहले भी डिड यू वॉच द प्रीवियस वीडियोस हमने पूछा था लोग को अब जानते हैं पूछा नहीं पूछा वेर यू डिड यू लिसन टू द वीडियोस
यह सब वीडियो देखी सर, ये वाली शायद नहीं देखी अभी मैंने.
ये एक क्वेश्चन देखा नहीं है
प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, नो सर.
तो बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है पेज नंबर 8 बिल्कुल बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है ये तो आपको जानना जरूरी है
ओके.
देखिए this is the you are the third or fourth candidate to I am asking and none of you have told the answer correctly do you think this will not be asked जरूर पूछेगा अच्छा please read this
यस सर. द
पढ़ो
बेसिक प्रिंसिपल The
हम्म,
basic principles which govern the insurance are principle of utmost good faith. Each party reveals all the material information to the other party, whether such information is asked or not. There should not be any fraud, non-disclosure, or misrepresentation of material facts.
हम्म,
Next is principle of indemnity. It means that the insured in case of loss against which the policy has been insured shall
हम्म,
be paid the actual cost of loss, not exceeding the amount of insurance policy. Next
हम्म,
is principle of insurable interest.
हम्म,
Insurance interest is that interest when the policyholder get benefited by the existence of subject matter and loss if there is death or damage to the subject matter.
हम्म, हम्म।
Please
अभी
scroll.
what is the time now in India
8-5, 805,
अच्छा
807.
हम लोग देरी से चल रहा है ना क्या ओ आई थॉट
Yes, sir,
वी आर
20 minutes.
ना बहुत देरी है एक्चुअली योर इंटरव्यू मस्ट हैव बीन 7:20 to 7:40
Yes,
बट
sir, yes, sir.
पता नहीं कैसे हमने छोड़ दिया इसको ठीक है पढ़ लीजिए प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट हो गया
Yes, sir.
देन
Sir, please scroll down.
प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कासा मैक्सिमा आर यू नॉट सीइंग
Principle of, yes, sir, now I see. Princi Sir, please scroll upward. Principle of causa maxima. It means proximate cause or cause which, in a natural or unbroken series of events, is responsible for a loss or damage. The insurer is liable for loss only when such a loss is proximately caused by the peril insured against. Next is principle of mitigation of loss. An insured must take all reasonable care to reduce the loss. B must act as if the property was not insured. Next is principle of subrogation. According to it, after the insured is compensated for the loss caused by the damage to the property insured by him, the right of ownership to such property passes to the insurer after settling the claims of the insured in respect of the covered loss. Next is principle of contribution. The insurer must share the burden of payment in proportion to the amount insured by each. If one of the insurer pays the whole loss, he is entitled to contribution from other insurers.
Have you come across this material or not?
Sir, I have read another material. I
ठीक है,
haven't seen this material.
कोई बात नहीं,
So
कोई बात
50,
नहीं. If you
sir,
are
I'm
having
reading.
any other material, उसको पढ़ लीजिए. But आपको
Yes, sir.
ये
You
क्वेश्चन,
that material.
this is olive board का material है.
Yes, sir. You are
It is,
other material also provided by you. I have
yeah,
reading. I am reading that material.
it's okay. It doesn't matter. So very good. Now, please tell me what are your strengths?
So regarding strength, the time management, I think the time management is the good sign where I divide the whole work into smaller parts and then try to finish them. Another is I am a good listener, so who listen to when someone is saying comfortably. Next important strength that I think that I am a focused person, means whatever I am trying to do, I am doing it with full focus and full dedication.
Mhm. Good, excellent. Now, why should we select you?
So mostly the persons, they all have education qualifications same that they are applying for this post. So the thing that made me different from other is the my dedication, my passion and love for mathematics, that from my study I have done. I offer you I offer you to the ambitions that I wanted to go at a higher position. So for this, I am ready to work hard. And another important point, I am a punctual person and doing work with full dedication, with focus on quality.
Good. What is a contract?
The contract, it is an agreement between the two parties where the terms of the what type of terms of the agreement is written. This is the
What
contract.
what is banker's indemnity policy?
Then, so no idea, sir.
It is given in the glossary. I have given you a material known as glossary.
Yes,
समझ
yes,
गया? उसमें
yes, sir.
पेज नंबर 8 में होगा और 9 में होगा. पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, what is baggage insurance?
No idea, sir. I haven't read it.
क्यों पढ़ा नहीं ये सब? There are 105 pages material given to you in the folder. Please go through them. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. Best wishes. Prepare very well. Your reading is not sufficient. You must read keenly. Prepare yourself and go. क्या पढ़ा है पता नहीं हमको. Can you tell about any 2-3 points correctly? Can you tell 3 current affair news?
Sir, firstly, current affair news is the in a term of international relations or in national news.
Anyway,
So first news is the sir, Uttarakhand tunnel where the persons for
hmm,
41% they get stuck in the room, stuck in the tunnel while and the government is trying to removing the person. Another
mhm,
important news is the Iran, Israel Hamas conflict where there is a truce between the Israel and Hamas,
Hmm.
which is brokered by Qatar. So the Hamas released the hostages, and Israel, they stopped the firing for 3 to 4 days so that the all the humanitarian material they went there.
Hmm.
Another
Hmm.
important news is
Hmm.
the prime minister. They are flying the Tejas, so they are trying to showing the indigenous technology to the world.
Super.
Tejas, yes.
Super. Good. Good. This one you have done well. This one you have done well. I am happy. Thank you so much. Best wishes.
Oh,
This is your first interview or second interview?
the first interview.
सेकंड तारीख दिया आपको?
Yes, sir, you said 7th of December, but you said change, it may be changed.
Okay, no problem. You have interview only on 11th or 14th. कोई
The
बात नहीं,
14th of the.
प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. अच्छा प्रिपरेशन करना है जी, सफिशिएंट नहीं है.
Okay,
ठीक
sir.
है. थैंक यू.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.